everyone. I hope you've been enjoying my rendition of the Gold Glam Summer Tea Party Tablescape. Now, this tablescape is a part of a collaboration. The host is Shangie's Home Decor and Lifestyle. The co-host is the Glam Queen of DIY, Glamour Ellen, and Andrea Mason of the Queen's Court. Now, I hope that you will go and visit all of their channels as well as the playlist. I promise you, you will not regret it. And again, this is the Summer Garden Tea Party Tablescape 21 collaboration. Now, again, if you're not a member of this channel, which is Tablescapes by Candy, I hope that you'll consider tapping that subscription button today, as well as that bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Also, if you'd like to see how the glam vase featured in this video was created, please go over and visit my other channel, which is DIY Design by CCW. There you'll see glam DIYs. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Alright everyone, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Bye-bye.